Here is a recap of everything that went down during day 4 of the Diddy trial in New York. Cassie Ventura returned to the witness stand for a third day, this time for cross-examination. The defense had begun by showing the jury some text messages. A lot of these text messages were from the early days of their relationship, which was a lot of loving exchanges between Cassie and Diddy. The defense had asked Cassie if she had loved Diddy and if it would hurt her when she found out that he would cheat. She did say yes, that she loved him and that it did hurt her more so in the beginning years of the relationship. She was also asked if Diddy had control over her appearance, to which she said yes, that he would often approve what she wore. She was asked if she thought he had great taste, and she said yes. Not sure what that had to do with anything, but that's what happened. Cassie was then asked about some of the other women that Diddy had dated in the past. She specifically said that she felt some jealousy when it came to Kim Porter, his ex-wife that passed away back in 2018, because he often spent holidays with her and the children. She also said that the biggest issue in their relationship as far as infidelity went was with a woman that Diddy began to see, who they referred to as Gina, and he began to see her back in 2014. She also mentioned her frustration about her inability to form a relationship with Diddy's children, as he wouldn't allow it. Cassie went into a little more detail about her relationship with Kid Cudi, who she began to see back in 2011 while she and Diddy were on a break. Cassie said that she had bought a burner phone to talk to Kid Cudi, as it would be too dangerous for if Diddy found out using her regular phone. However, he still found out. He found out during a freak-off in which he was going through her phone, at which time he lunged at her with a wine opener but did not make contact with her. She said that she was still participating in freak-offs at this time because it was her job. There was a lot of text messages shown to the jury today, and at one point, as the jury was viewing some text messages, Cassie said that she felt that there was a lot that was being skipped over and that she wasn't sure how these texts were relevant right now. Back when jury selection was taking place, the prospective jurors were given a list of celebrity names to ask if they were recognized and if they knew anything about these people and if they had any opinions on these people. One of the people on the list was Michael B. Jordan. His name was brought up in court today. Cassie said that she dated him for a period of time while her and Diddy were on a break, and she was asked how Diddy reacted upon finding out that they were together. She said that she did not know because she was not there to see it. The defense began to ask Cassie about Diddy's drug use. She did confirm that he overdosed back in 2012. They had a freak-off earlier that day. He then left her to go to a party at the Playboy Mansion. Later that night, she took him to the hospital where they found out that he had overdosed. The defense then suggested that he was addicted to opiates in some capacity and that he was experiencing withdrawal symptoms in the days leading up to the 2016 hotel altercation. The defense says that they still have some cross-examination to do, which will continue on Friday. However, the judge says that he would like the cross-examination done by lunchtime, as the prosecution had a day and a half for direct examination. However, if the defense had anything important that they wanted to ask, that he would allow it to go into the afternoon at his discretion. The prosecution also requested that Cassie be done testifying by the weekend, as she could give birth any day.